Assalamu alaikum.
Samtullah.
What can we do for Philistine except for making dua? Like some people I know are actually getting very frustrated, and they actually don't think like the rallies do anything. So, what would be your advice?
I don't understand your question. Are they making dua and because their duas are not answered, they're giving up?
No, no, not like that. They are like they want to do more.
In terms of what?
In terms of like they just simply want to have be connected like in some other way. Like it's not like they're like angry or something now that those are not being answered. They know that how it works, but still like they want to do something more.
Well, it all pours down into the same hole. Whether they confess that they're frustrated or they're not happy, they want it to happen today. And the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, told us that part of the etiquettes of dua is that people should not be hasty. And they say, I made dua, nothing happened, and they leave and abandon dua. Dua is a form of worship. Whether Allah gives it to you or not, this is in His hands. You do your job, which is asking. Always remember that Allah gives you what you need, not what you want. When you go to a doctor and ask for a list of medication, the doctor doesn't give it to you. He forces you to go and undergo some lab tests, x-rays, examinations. Then he decides what you need and not what you want. And Allah has the highest of all examples. So it's a form of worship. You never give up. Now you want to emphasize your dua and be more sincere, ask Allah for forgiveness, repent, quit sins, ensure that your income is halal and what you consume is halal, give in charity. All of these are, inshallah, formulas of getting your dua answered, in addition to a list of etiquettes of dua, which you will probably find in my YouTube channel when I made a lecture on that.